Weather Channel, here's your local on the 8s.
Currently, the temperature is 18 degrees with snow and windy conditions. A blizzard warning is in effect for your area. Your local Doppler radar. Today, snow, heavy at times. Gusty winds will lead to blizzard conditions. High 26. Winds northwest at 25 to 40 miles per hour. A foot or more of snow expected. For tonight, blizzard conditions with heavy snow and gusty winds this evening will give way to snow showers overnight. Low 12. Winds north-northeast at 25 to 35 miles per hour. 8 to 12 inches of snow expected. On Saturday, some lingering morning flurries or snow showers. Partly cloudy, high 12. Your week ahead.